Hey everyone, Namaste, Jai Swaminaran. Welcome back to my channel. So today it's not about recipe video. I asked on my Instagram, so must I make a meal prep video? So many people say try. So I said let me try, and today is the first meal prep video. I'm showing you here how I do my half of the Sunday. It goes like this. So I'll do meal prep for whole week, and you can see, but this is my first video, so you can see some random things also here. But if you like to watch more, please do let me know in comment. So I'll try to make more. So watch the whole video, and please do subscribe my channel, and thank you so much. I'll try to make more and nice video for you, and it's for vegetarian guys. My video is all about vegetarian, so you can see here. And thank you so much. And if you like this video, please do like, share and comment. And thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the whole video. Thank you. Bye. See you soon.